Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Before you start, park the splitter on level ground and set the parking brake. Chock the wheels and disconnect the spark plug wire to prevent accidental starts. Wear safety gear, gloves, eye protection, steel toe boots, and hearing protection. Consult the owner manual for model-specific torque values and fluid capacities. Note hydraulic fluid type and capacity, often 10 to 15 liters on trailer models. Gather tools including a torque wrench, 13 mm socket, adjustable wrench and seal puller. Have spare seals, O-rings, hydraulic hose, and 10W or 20W oil available. Start by checking the hydraulic fluid level and color for contamination or burning. Inspect hoses for cracks, bulges, or loose fittings that leak under pressure. If the cylinder leaks, replace worn seals and O-rings immediately. Torque rod and pin bolts to manufacturer specs to correct beam misalignment issues. Test the pump by running at low throttle and listening for cavitation or whining. Replace a failing pump rather than rebuilding it on many economy models. Finally, lubricate the wedge, check the splitting table, and adjust the return valve pressure. Perform scheduled maintenance every 100 operating hours or annually, whichever comes first. Change hydraulic fluid and filter at recommended intervals using the specified fluid type. Replace engine oil and filter. Use 10W30 for most gasoline engines during normal temperatures. Inspect and replace the spark plug each season and set the gap per manual. Before storage, drain fuel or add stabilizer and run the engine 5 minutes to circulate. Store the splitter indoors or cover it to prevent rust and seal deterioration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.